Turbo, the first ever meme coin that was created by AI for the people. This thing is absolutely crashing off a cliff right now. Okay, in this video we're going to be breaking this down and looking at this from a sort of an update perspective to see where this thing could be going, how we could be making some money, and also guys, I've got a project I want to talk to you about that's catching a lot of traction in the space, which is potentially going to be the next big meme coin play, but I'll say that towards the end of the video, guys, so basically it's like a reward for anyone who sticks around. Anyway, let's get into the Turbo update here. You can see here on the daily we're down 10%. The last 7 days, only down 1%, 1.15%, but we basically wiped off 10% of gains here in a few hours. It's absolutely crazy how this thing is reacting right now. But let's just remember here that it's still only at a $300 million market cap. There is absolutely huge potential here for this thing to hit that $1 billion market cap in the future here. It is a renowned coin that is not going anywhere in this market, and I would basically put this way up to all-time highs again at around $700 million market cap again within the next few months. But right now it is on that dipper, it is chasing that low, and we are going to bring up the chart to see where this thing could be going and how we could be making some money trading this thing. Okay, now before we do that, guys, before we really dissect this chart, let me talk to you about that project. The project that I'm talking about today is called Snort. Now, this is meant to be the revolutionary, brand new Solana meme coin trading bot. If we look at other meme coin trading bots in the space right now, you can see these are the statistics. These are the fees. These are the fast snipers. These are the copy trading stats. These are all the features that everyone currently offers. And Snorter is coming in and basically colonizing the market and made a better project throughout. Now, I know what you guys are thinking. I'm thinking the same thing. Naturally, when you're trading on something like BonkBot or BananaBot or Trojan or any other bots in the space, and a new bot comes along that's cheaper and that helps the user and it's better and it offers more features, only naturally, because it's free, you are going to migrate over to that bot. Okay, you're going to want more profit. So people will be doing that. The user base from all these other bots will be moving over to Snorter, and we will see explosive growth from the community and through the token itself. So this token is in a pre-sale, guys, and it's about to get an insane pump here. They've raised $3.1 million, not 100,000, not $1 million. They've raised $3 million here. Okay, naturally, when a project like this raises such a large amount of money, we're talking massive centralized exchange listings: Bybit, Mexi, BitGet. We're maybe talking Binance and Coinbase. Who knows at this point? If the volume's there, they will list it. Okay. So if you guys do want to get involved with this pre-sale, all you got to do is connect your wallet here, Best Wallet, Wallet Connect, MetaMask, or Coinbase. Go to the link in the description. It'll take you to the site, and you basically carry on with that. You can get involved with USDT, Solana, USDC, Ethereum, BNB, or even, yeah, Ethereum. I said Ethereum, yeah, or even Ethereum, right? But yeah, definitely go check it out, guys. All the links in the description. It's been featured across major news articles across the board here. Very excited about this one. Definitely a 10 to 100x play. Yeah, do your own research. Looking pretty cool overall. Anyway, back to the Turbo chart. Let's see how we can profit from this thing. Okay, so right now, obviously, this thing is dumping off a goddamn cliff. Okay, we did find a little bit of support here in previous price action, but it did not respect that at all. Not at all. We are finding a bit of support on a volume-weighted ATR band on the hourly, which is good news, considering we are still above this this trend line here on more of the macro play, which is good because we have found support on this before. So if we do basically have a bit of continuation to the upside here, it would be good, and the target would be back up to 4724 for around a 6% move. But right now the market's pretty unstable. We don't know which way it's going to go. Bitcoin's taking a massive dump as well. We generally just need a correction, guys. We can't just keep going up, okay? But just remember, DCA, dollar cost average, guys. You want to get your average entry to these assets down. If you keep buying every time you dip, the average entry you get is going to be lower and lower and lower, okay? So this is a great entry for Turbo, in my opinion, and I will be basically buying and scooping up some myself. If we lose this level, if we lose 4398, I would expect lower prices, maybe even 44.6 here. That was back in August we hit that, and maybe even July lows. Okay, maybe even that sort of June, July lows. Definitely just as a more of a broader scale correction across the board here for crypto might be on the cards here. I'm not sure. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys, whether you think we're going to pump, whether you think we're going to dump, and whether you think Turbo is a safe bet for now. Super intrigued to know your opinions. Thank you ever so much for watching, guys. Peace out for now. Links in the description for Snorter. That's going to be it from me, and I'll see you in the next video.